Dun 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 bum bum bum. Hey, what's up, you guys? So, welcome to a new video on my 6th channel. Now, today's video is an unboxing video again, since I unboxed the channel. Trigger. You don't unbox daily. Because I got Bumblebee, the Blu-ray. So, first, I got the first Transformers movies here. There it is, Transformers. And Transformers Prime, which is a show. Now let's unbox this. Also, I'll be unboxing Friday 13th again, probably, in a video on my 4th channel. So, it comes with a digital copy of the Bumblebee movie, which is on the receipt. There it is. You can have it. Enjoy your Transformers. Anyway, I'm gonna lay it down like this so you guys can see me. Yeah. Okay. Got it unboxed. Now let's see what's inside. There's the disc for the Blu-ray and DVD version. And it comes with a comic book. Which I really like. So yeah, guys, there was the Bumblebee Blu-ray unboxing piece. Hold on.